Alright, wait, it's going now. I'll cut this out. Alright, stand there, go. Alright, we got a bike check here from James.
My Sunday. The frame is a Sunday Ian Swartz second wave.
Ooh. Hey, what's got to start front?
Right. ODI schlong necks.
Yeah, standard.
United bars, I think. Salt stock shitty stem. Connolly Phantom forks.
Animated under the bucket!
What about the
headset?
It's a Richie.
It's a Richie. Fuck.
Right,
Tyres, front and back. Momentum, demolition momentum. Bo, get the fuck out of here.
I need to go forward.
No.
You got what rims?
Newly bought Odyssey hazard rim with a Vandero 2 hub.
Custom.
Fucking hell.
Ooh, yes. Moving on to the
crankshaft.
These are stock salt cranks. Salt sprocket. Odyssey. Twisted pedals. And my seat is Odyssey Ikonen. Pivotal. Aiken. Is it Aiken?
It's Mike Aitken.
Oh.
Yeah.
Well, yeah.
Don't deserve it.
That just. Do you want it, Jamie?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, and my rear wheel is an exposure because they're the best with a super loud hub.
Yeah, it gets
And
louder,
momentum.
It gets louder.
And then my pegs are
People toxic.
Toxics.
Don't you know?
And that is my bike. Checker.
Sent it. Alright.